ignore my hair, but we're on this like overpass thing to get to the bus that you have to take to the beach. I don't think I did an intro. I don't even remember, but whatever. It's a vlog. I'll just do it now. Hey guys. Nah, that would be really ratchet. I'm just probably gonna in this little part so I can do my intro. So bitches be scared of me, I put that rod in them. All of them bitches acting thoughtless, I disregard them. All of them bitches acting holy, ain't got no God in them. I'm in the rose, you don't roll right. My chain shine brighter than a strobe light. I'm tryna pro, this don't concern ice. If I'm motorboat, she gon' motor. This is a hero. Okay, we got honey turkey, lettuce, mayo. I can't open it because I don't know why, but look at that. They don't have that in Georgia. So we just got on the train. Say hi to my best friend. Hi, best friend. And we're about to walk to the bus. It's a beach day. I'm in tube, so ignore my hair, but this is the first New York City vlog, and we're about to go to the beach. I'm with my best friend. Hey, best friend. So yeah. We're about to go to the beach. I'm walking on this, off this overpass. Y'all, I'm in the Bronx, okay? I'll probably show y'all Harlem in the next vlog. But yeah, today we're in a beach day. We're gonna meet up with some of my best friends, and we're just gonna have a little beach day. They have this really good seafood spot up here, so hopefully we're going. I was trying to get an answer, but she didn't answer me. Oh, I'm sorry. But yeah, so see y'all in the field. We're waiting for a bus right now, and there's mad buses, but none of them are on, and I just feel like it's so disrespectful. And I don't know if y'all can see, but like the lady is literally sitting in there. But we're waiting, right, Jada? Mm-hmm. Yo, you catching me off guard. Duh. Oh, I look very bad. I look like a crazy. Please, okay. So yeah, these disrespectful buses sitting here, and we're just out here like baking, like. Just really baking. So dumb because I have a vlogging stick, and guess who left it? My dumb self. But it's okay. So I'm just gonna be holding my phone like a dummy all day. Look at my hair. I didn't flat iron or do my edges because that would just like be really dumb to do when I know I'm about to get wet at the beach. But it's okay because y'all know I'm a baddie, so I could go one day without my edges being laid. It's okay. My hair really looks terrible. Oh, sad. It's really sad. But this is gonna probably be like a really pointless vlog, but I'm trying to start vlogging more. I'm gonna do some more sit down videos soon, but yeah. I hate sand so much, but the water is so beautiful here. Bus down, say hi to Sophia. Hey. So we're on this bus, and it's supposed to take us straight to the beach. We waited for this bus for mad long, and if I didn't have my transfer, I was still gonna get on the bus. But yeah, so we're just on the bus. Yeah, let me see. Here's the hotness, but this water is freezing, y'all. I was in the water for like a little while, but I was scared to bring my phone, so yeah. But it's freezing. It's hot outside, but the water is freezing. Whew. My friends left me because I didn't want to go deep, because I would like break my phone. But I'm about to go back and dry off because I'm starving. So yeah. I don't think this is gonna be a long vlog because I didn't have my water my phone most of the time. But yeah. They look over it. You? Are y'all over it? I'm starving. Okay, let's put my slipper on. So we left the park. And we got to go get back on the bus. It was fun. Okay, guys, so we just got in from the beach. I didn't record the train ride because I figured you already saw it. But I got some Chipotle. Chipotle is my life. No, let me stop. But my hair is so messed up. But this is my first vlog, so it's probably like really terrible. So just guys, don't judge me. What are you doing? So yeah, we're about to eat. And this was probably really terrible vlog. I said vlog, see, just terrible. But it was probably really bad. But guys, don't judge me for real, because the next ones, they're just gonna get litter and litter. I'm gonna try to make them better and better. I'm gonna take y'all around New York City. I'll probably take you guys like to the block that I grew up on and stuff. But yeah, I'm about to eat this Chipotle and probably take a nap because your girl is tired. But yeah, thank you guys, see you later.
The building's a BB, your weapon so peewee. I make it look easy, I hit that little bitch, then pass it like CP. You better believe me, you better believe me. Ha, I'm up for the pack, pour four in a Fiji. Ha, the building's a BB, your weather so peewee. I make it look easy, I hit that little bitch, then pass it like CP. You better believe me, you better believe me. You ain't bout shit, boy, you very scary. Rockin' Fred Perry, every Fred Perry. Bitch, we all told fucking 7 carry. Really ain't shit to get a nigga buried.